Dogecoin holder, congratulations! It's a very massive and very important update for all Dogecoin holder. Not just unique, my brother. It's a good news for Dogecoin. All holder, my friend. Every cryptocurrency is wake up. All crypto market is moving upward now. You can see this time all currencies is moving up like a rocket. So dear for my friend, especially this is my favorite cryptocurrencies. You can see here this is all is my favorite cryptocurrencies. So I am so happy to see this change occurring. Every coin is moving upward. So if you have any plan to invest in these days, my friend, so I think my favorite cryptocurrency is one of these, my friend. You can see here this time Dogecoin also one of my favorite. So exactly, my friend, if you have any plan to invest in Dogecoin, I think this is very good moment, my friend, for you now. So go now, invest now. I hope, my friend, that will give you very good profit in the end of month. And yes, my brother, a lot of option available, my friend, at the same time and this week, my brother, especially. So if you want to invest in XRP, VChain, Shiba Inu, especially, my brother, Shiba Inu, Polygon, a lot of currency, my friend, and this time will moving upward now and completely in the profit. So I think very good option, my friend, with you for a good profit, for a huge profit. I hope, my brother, this month, especially this month, is very lucky, my brother, for all of you. I hope, my brother, in July all currencies is moving upward now, and it's a very exciting moment for all of you because, my brother, this time you can see the Dogecoin after a very long time they will starting moving upward now. So if you predicate this coin, we completely better understand, my brothers, to upcoming time. Okay, there is a chance so they will move upward. But kindly, please, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So the resistance line, first of all, my friend, the resistance line is come here. As you can see here, my brother, this direction, absolutely, my friend. After this point, they will fail us down, so they are completely in the loss now. Otherwise, my friend, this time you can see here they are upper in the resistance line. So it's mean to this here is this coin is in the profit. But definitely, my friend, you can see here this time the change occur. So minus 38.41% they face down as in the lost, my brother. Definitely when they hit the resistance line they face down, so absolutely they are completely in the negative. So therefore, my brother, I will notify you to this time the change occur negative, so it's mean to the coin is fails down now. Alright, holder, this time the last 1 month chart, this is on the screen, and definitely, my friend, you can see this week they again starting moving upward now. Let's see, my brother, let's zoom it. Just a minute, please you subscribe our YouTube channel, man, for more this informative video. Hope you subscribe it. Just in only, my friend, complete 11,000 subscribers. I hope you can do it, there, my friend. Alright, this time Dogecoin at the last stage, you can see, my brother, they will again moving up for now. Wake up Dogecoin. Absolutely they will wake up if you are starting investing, holders starting investing. But don't invest, my friend, before you use research. Please research personally, and after that, my friend, you take any decision to sell, hold, or buy, or invest more now. So I hope you understand. Please remember, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will moving upward because, my brother, absolutely this is the wake up, this is the jumping time. So I hope they will move upward now. Let's see, my brothers, do what they do. But kindly, for more this type urgent updates, you just need subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.